depression, I mention it just in passing, but inanoka jimang'eny youths mang'eny sani odonje depression. Maybe gik moko ka finances, gik moko ka issues back at home contribute to depression gi. Gimana dawacho ni ka in gi osiepe ma ong'ei kaka intiere, friends who are invested in how you feel, your emotions, your well-being, gin able to call out, point out rather, ni Syndy ni kata Owira kata Stephen is not okay. Gin magi take the first initiative. Normally ngat men ga depressed ok bi chung chieng moro to wacho ni ungeni ya an okawinj kama. No, they don't normally feel it. Gimagi winjo is just an obsolete form of pain from inside. They can't explain. Koro mondo gi point it out bedo matek sana. Koro osiepe ni gi family ni jok mi relate godo on a day-to-day basis are able to point it out maginyise ni ngane tok ni maber. Gin ma they will initiate the process mar finding you help. Mano is for depression, even for drug abuse. Moro kendo mana dawacho, school can be intense. School can be so intense. Sometimes I feel ni you're drowning. And this is not to scare the first years, no. Avenues letting out all this stress, all this pressure is number one, having fun. Number two, your family is your strength. Koro kai feel ni samoro you're overwhelmed by school. Take a trip back home. The bedgi family ni, the bedgi your father, your mom, your siblings. Beda nekodgi, go anekodgi mbaka. Ntirega a certain sense of relief maka ibedo gi family ni tiyudo. Poro Stacy and Jennifer, every time you get the chance, temuru mondo you keep your family very close. Moro kendo madang konyu, these phone calls me make to your family every day or weekly or whatever way me bro decide need to contact your family. Make sure nigin worthwhile. Yani kagi moro timi okikibed ni kori luoro baba kata mama makoro kinyanyise ni mama gima kama tima kata kama tima nikech ka in kachacha rest assured ka in hostels gikmo tuoche moko dhimaki skin infections nikech you share a lot of things jomanyiri unyalo yudo urinary tract infections koro ko kin ngat moro man machiegni gi parents ne ibro yudo ka there's a disconnect ma ko bedo to okinyal address those issues kodgi. Koro make sure you take breaks, make sure you're having fun in school, you're studying all the same but you're having fun, and ensure your relationship gi jonyuol ni kata joma ni ot ka jonyuol ni are a bit too strict to not entertain nonsense. Ensure ni maybe an older sister, someone to fall back on. Mano nyalo konyi sana to manage the pressure mar school because it gets really intense, especially if you're doing these complicated courses. It gets really